What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go with our friend Gala Games, currently sitting at 0.043, up 5% on the day. See a market cap of 295 million, 25 volume, 224 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to pick it, grab up to 8K in bonuses or buy it up to 30K in bonuses. Check out my full-length tutorials. Email me or sign up email. I'll give you completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members posting chart patterns and talking all things crypto. Let's hop into Gala. So we've seen a nice bounce and we broke the regular retracement for a wave B. Of course, a wave B can push higher, can even be overshooting, but we have a nice 5-wave up off the wave 2 pullback zone. So I think there's a good likelihood that this wave 2, let me actually increase the size of this wave count. Wow, loud motorcycles outside. That this wave 2 is complete and we have a 5-wave move into a wave 1. So if we do pull back from here, of course we can push higher. This 5-wave move may not be complete. But if we do pull back from here, currently we are in a Gala long, which is in profits. I gave a signal in the Discord. It's only 10 bucks per month. If we pull back from here, then you look for a pullback in between the 0.5 at 0.039 and the 0.786 at 0.037 in a wave 2. So you push up in a wave 1, pull back in a wave 2, see continuation up in that larger wave 3. Now we gave a target for that larger wave 3. What you can do here is take a trend-based fib extension from the bottom of the wave 1 to the top to the bottom of the wave 2. If this is the bottom, you target the 1.618, which is coming in all the way up at about 0.067. So what we're looking at here from the low is a wave 1 to the upside. I know it's hard to see. Wave 2, which is here in red, and pushing up into wave 3, which is has a price target of 30 cents, and within that wave are 5 waves. So you may have your wave 1 up, wave 2 pullback, and then you look to push up in a 3, 4, 5. We still have to wait and see how this wave count plays out, because it could just be the wave 1 of that larger wave 3 to the upside. Looking at our next chart. Actually, let's look at this one here first. So as you can see here, we broke out of this descending channel. We back tested it. That's where I entered the long position. I actually have 2 entries just in case we were to drop lower here. And we are holding the daily EMAs. So if we can break this previous high, then we can easily push up to 0.059, the top of the channel, 0.069, 0.087. We will create the bullish cross over the next few days if we do see that continuation to the upside for our friend Gala. As you can see right here as well, beautiful bounce off our wave 2 pullback zone, so we hold those EMAs and we can easily see continuation. Now the bearish scenario, we will go over the bearish scenario, of course. There's always 2 scenarios, and that is that this is still the wave B. Although this is a 5-wave move, I think it's unlikely it's a wave B, but if we were to roll over, especially if we lose the 0.786 at 0.037, then you could go through an ABC correction. Still, to bring you back down into this target zone, we did hit the 50% retracement, but that is the bearish scenario. I think it's a little bit less probable, but of course anything is possible, and we just trade based off probabilities. All right, gang, so make sure to sign up to either Bitkit or Bybit. Grab those bonuses, email me or sign up email. Completely free access to over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. At the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis, trade signals. As I mentioned, just drop a signal for a Gala long, which is currently in profits. Crypto news. Members like to post their profits in here as well. As you can see, made a nice little juicy gain on a BTC long. How to all plays coming in at 10 bucks per month. Same price as a Netflix subscription. Big Mac meal with a drink. And you'll get more value out of the Discord, in my opinion. All right, gang, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.